Hi friends, welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Now I am going to talk about some question with answers which questions are extracted from subject verb agreement. Rewrite the sentences choosing the correct alternative given in brackets. A. What he says about me does not affect me. We have already known that if the subject is a noun clause, the verb becomes singular. The noun clause always begins with that and WH words. Here, what he says about me, this part is called the noun clause. That's why the verb will be singular. B. Ram as well as his friends likes to play football. We have already known that if a sentence is joined by, as well as, in addition to, together with, along with, the verb becomes singular or plural according to the first noun. I am repeating again. If a sentence is joined by, as well as, in addition to, together with, along with, the verb becomes singular or plural agree with the first noun. Here the first noun is Ram. That's why Ram is singular. Understood? That's why the verb will be singular. C. Neither Raj nor Jasmine was available in the market. If a sentence is joined by the correlative conjunction, the verb becomes singular or plural agree with the second noun. I am repeating again. If a sentence is joined by the correlative conjunctions, which are correlative conjunctions? Not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and, these are called correlative conjunctions. If these correlative conjunctions are used in a sentence, the verb becomes singular or plural according to the second noun. Here second noun Jasmine is singular. That's why we can use was. D. A pair of spectacles was lying on the bed. We have already known that spectacles, trousers, scissors. If a pair of is written before these nouns, the verb will be singulars. Understood? If a pair of is not written before these nouns, we cannot use singular verb there. We can use plural verb there. But here a pair of spectacles, that's why we can use singular verb here, was lying on the bed. E. The rich live in affluence. We have already known that the rich and the blind always take plural verbs. Then F. The Canterbury Tales. This is the name of a book, though its name ended with S. Understood? We can use singular verb here. The Canterbury Tales was written by Chaucer. Then G. 6 weeks is a long vacation for students. I have already explicated that if any sentence refers to amount, distance, weight, height, time. I am repeating again. Amount, distance, weight, height, time. The verb becomes singular. So 6 weeks is a long vacation for students. Then H. Your trousers, because here a pair of has not written. The sentence started by using your trousers. That's why the verb will be plural are. Your trousers are torn. I am young and strong. Are not. We have already known the contracted form. We cannot make am into a contracted form. In place of, we cannot write am not. We can write are not. It will be aren't. So I am young and strong. Aren't. And the last one J. It is you who have insulted me. I am talking about this question again. If a sentence starts by using it, the verb becomes singular or plural agree with the antecedent.